Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in previous video we discussed about while construct and we have seen the syntax, flowchart and a small example. In today's video we will discuss about do while construct. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Do while construct. As the name itself tells you, do while. So here you have an extra keyword called as do, which tells the compiler you do the statements first. You execute the statements. Means to say the condition will be evaluated at the last. So here what happens? We call this do while as a post-tested loop because the condition will be evaluated at the end. And hence it is also called as exit control loop. So it is post-tested loop and exit control loop because at the exit stage, it is going to check the condition. So it checks the condition at the end. The set of statements gets executed again and again until the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. And one extra point to say here is the statements gets executed at least once. The statements gets executed at least once. Even if the condition is false for the first time itself. We will see that in the example, how the statement gets executed at least once. This is the special feature that what we can say with do while. So let's see the syntax, flowchart and example code. So here we have the keyword do followed with the one more keyword while. So as soon as the compiler encounters the keyword do, it tells you execute these set of statements and then at the end you check the condition. If the condition evaluates as true, once again do the statements. Then again all these set of statements will be executed. Then again check the condition. If the condition evaluates as true, then again do the statement. Again the statements gets executed. Again check the condition. But if the condition evaluates as false, then the loop terminates. Hence we have semicolon here. So in while we don't have semicolon, but in do while we have semicolon. When the condition evaluates as false, the loop gets terminated and the control will be to statement X. So as the condition is evaluated at the end, it is called as exit control loop and it is also called as post-tested loop. Means the condition will be evaluated at the last. See, once the compiler encounters the keyword do, it will simply do the statement first. So at the first stage, it is going to execute the statement without evaluating the condition. But if the condition evaluates as false for the first time itself, then the loop terminates, but the statements would have been executed at least once. Look at the flowchart. Execute the statements, then check the condition. If true, again execute the statements, then check the condition. True, again execute the statements, check the condition. Condition evaluates as false, terminate the loop, go to statement X. So if you've understood with this, let us see a small example code now. So here we have a small example to understand this do while construct. And again this program is printing the values from 0 to 5. It is less than 5. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 I am going to get the output. So as soon as the compiler encounters this variable declaration statement and initialization, it is going to allocate the memory for that and 0 will be stored there. So I value is 0. Then the keyword do. So as soon as the compiler encounters the keyword do, what it will do? It is going to execute the statements. It is saying print the value. So you have two statements. One is printf and one more is increasing the value of I plus plus, increment operator. So print the value of I. So I am going to get this 0. 0 will be printed. This is my output screen. 0 will be printed. Then I gets increased. Now I value is from 0 to 1. So it is 0 plus 1, it is 1. Then check the condition. Is 1 less than 5? Yes. Condition evaluated as true. Then do the statement. Loop back. Again print the value of I. I value is how much? It is 1. Print that. Then increase. I plus plus. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. I value is 2. Now check the condition. Is 2 less than 5? Again the condition evaluated as true. So it is true. Again loop back. Do the statements. So like this, I am going to get 3. Then 3 will be, 2 will be printed. 3 will be printed. 4. Let me come to this point. 2, 3, 4 printed. I'll come here. 4 less than 5. Again I'll loop back. 4 gets printed. I gets increased. It becomes 5. I becomes 5. When I becomes 5, then check the condition is 5 less than 5. 1, 2, 3 less than 5, done. 4 less than 5, done. When 5 less than 5, condition evaluates as false. When the condition evaluates as false, the loop terminates and the control will be to get CH. So I just got the value from 0. When it was 0, I printed the value of 0. Then loop back 1. Then loop back 2, 3, 4. And then I plus plus, it becomes 5. So when it becomes 5, the condition evaluates as false. Then it terminates, the control will be to get CH. Now let me change this value. So what I'll do here, I'll say I equal to 0. Then I say I plus plus. This condition I'll change. I equals to 0. So let me see the values now. What will be the iteration and what will be the output? So this is the iteration block, that what I am writing here, and this is the output. I equal to 0. Print. Compiler do tells the compiler do the statement. So as soon as the compiler encounters this do, it will simply do the statement. Print the value of I. So what is the value of I? It is 0. So my output I got 0. Then I'll increase the value of I. So it is I equal to I plus 1. I is 0. 0 plus 1, it is 1. So I value is 1. Now check the condition. Is 1 equals to 0? No. The condition evaluated as false. By the time the statement got executed, I got the value of I, but now the condition is false. Then what the compiler has to do? It has to terminate the loop. That is why we say do while execute the statement at least once, even if the condition is false for the first time itself. So I got increased here. So 1 equals to 0? No. Condition evaluated as false, so it has to terminate the loop. But by the time already the statement got executed once. This is what the speciality of do while. Let me give one more value. I'll say I equal to 0. I'll change this condition. I'll say I not equal to 0. What will be the output of this? You have to tell me in the comment box. It's an assignment for you people. Just trace out this do. It will execute the statement. Then come to this point. Check the condition. Then what happens? What will be the output? You have to write it in the comment box and tell me what will be the output for this code. So hope you have understood do while. You can just execute these programs also and you can tell the output after executing itself. Write in the comment box and tell what will be the answer for this. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.